So I just want to talk to you a little bit about fly rod weights. Now this is very much aimed at beginners. So when we go into a shop, there's all different numbers on rods. There's the length of the rod, then there's a weight. So it's usually a number WT or a hashtag and the number, one or the other. So let's just use this analogy. If we imagine this is a 3 or a 4 weight rod here, okay? And this one here is our kind of 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 weight. And then this is our 8, 9, and 10. So that's a heavy hockey ball. This is a tennis ball, and here we have a ping pong ball. Now let's look at some flies. So here is a quite large pike fly. If I was to tie with some string this ping pong ball onto this fly and throw it, there wouldn't be enough weight in this ping pong ball or mass to be able to pull this through the air. Now, some of you will say, yes, it's okay, I'd be able to cast it. You will, but it's not very enjoyable. So I would need something like this here, this hockey ball. This hockey ball is quite dense, it's quite heavy. So you can imagine if I tied this onto here and threw it, that this would have enough mass to pull this fly through the air. Now on the other side, if I have this beautiful little dry fly here, and I'm looking to go to some little brook or some little river and fish, and I tie this on, yes, of course it will pull it through the air, but it's going to be very clunky and it's going to be very, very, just a harsh landing. It's something that we're not looking for. So we would definitely aim for something like the ping pong ball that would pull this through the air and it'll give us that delicate presentation. Now the tennis ball would pull this streamer through the air quite well. The hockey ball, a little bit heavy. So it just goes to show, and it's just a small analogy, that if you're throwing small dries and you're looking for a 3 or 4, so our ping pong ball is our 3, 4, our tennis ball is our kind of our 5, 6, and then we have 8, 9, 10 here. Okay, and that's just a little way of helping you to figure out what it is you want to use. So it does help at times when choosing a fly rod to figure out what kind of fishing you're going to be doing. Are you going to be throwing big heavy pike flies, some streamers, or small dries?